So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll just see about degrees of comparison in detail. Let's go into the video now. So an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. This is called degree of comparison of adjective. When one noun is compared with another, it is called degree of comparison of adjective. And the three types of degree of comparison are the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. These three are the degrees of three types of degrees of comparison. So we'll just see by point. What is meant by positive degree? Means it is used to refer one object or one place or one person without comparing. So an example is she has a big house. It is not compared with anything. It's a single. So the next point is comparative degree. It refers to a greater degree of adjective. Note this point, greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects or two persons or two people. But two places, sorry. Like for example, a house was bigger than my house. It is only compared to two, not more or less. So next is superlative degree. It refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Note this point, greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, person or people. This house is the biggest of all. Just see, biggest of all. It is more than two. So part 2, type 2. Everything is on. We all know dash er means bigger, larger, which ends in er. It's called comparative, and some word ending in biggest, largest, greatest is superlative. And to most syllables only it will be like that. And the next point is when the positive ends in E, large, we add only RAND or EST. For example, large, larger, largest. Positive compared to superlative. Not called rand, I just forgot to add space between R and. And when the positive ends in consonant y, we drop y, and if positive ends in consonant, we drop y and add I or IEST. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Positive compared to superlative. And when the positive is a word of syllable which ends in vowel consonant, we drop the ending consonant and double it. For example, red, redder, reddest, we double it and add er, and again double it, add est. It's positive compared to superlative. And next, when the positive is two or more syllable, we add and most to the adjective to form superlative and comparative. So useful, u and e, more useful and most useful. More useful is comparative and most useful is superlative. And the next point is there are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative from their positives. They have irregular form of comparison. Good, better, best. It's called irregular. So guys, please support me. So like, share, comment and subscribe me if you like this video. I think our next video will be out tomorrow, or it may have some time. I am busy. As soon as possible I will just add the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.